Okay, I am ready for some action. And I think I figured out what's going to be my favorite position. I mean, I've laid these tiles out a few different ways, and I think I know what's going to work really well. Okay, so let's get to it. Yes, okay, we got that all done. It's all cleaned up, ready to go. And now all we have to do is put the grout in here. Okay, so let's get to it. Yes, okay, so I'm just going to have to let this dry completely. Okay, then we're going to be ready to buff it out. That'll be just perfect. And did you notice what I did down here with the broken tile? Okay, I wasn't exactly 100% certain that everything was level all the way around. So that's why I made a level line across the top with these tiles, and then I made a level line across the bottom with those tiles, and kind of balanced it out with some broken tile. Okay, well anyways, it really works, and it's a great way to work with just a bunch of scrap material and make it all kind of cool and funky. Okay, so I'm going to let this set up, and then we're going to be finally ready for assembly. Okay, so I'm just going to lift it up, and because it's pretty heavy, I've kind of put this here so I can do like 2 steps. Oh gosh, okay. Just use your legs. Oh geez. Oh God. Woo, that is something heavy, isn't it? Okay. Now we're going to put it up here. And then we're going to put some construction adhesive down first. So I'm going to lean this on the bucket here. Okay. There we go. Stay. Okay, great. There we go. Let's put this down. All right, Barbara, you can do this. Oh, Jesus, this is heavy. Damn. We did it. Okay. Oh, God. There we go. That's it. That's home. Okay, and I'm going to cut some tubing with my magic saw. Make a piece that's just a little too long, okay? And then we'll cut it to the right size once we get it all in place. And then I'm just going to kind of stuff it in here, okay, before we put on the next tier, because I want to mount this tubing perfectly. Okay, there we go. We got it on, and oh, it's just slides right over that perfectly. It's a good fit, and I like a snug fit with the tubing. Okay, so now let's see how this all fits together. Okay, so first I'm going to screw this into the pump, I think. Okay, then I'm going to just attach this. So I'm just holding on to this tubing, and then I'm just going to kind of guide it in place. So it's nice and nice and snug. And I like a snug fit. All right, now we're gonna want to stick this in here so we can adjust the flow control, which right now is all the way up. Perfect. Okay, here we go. This is it. I'm ready to put in the water and then, check if everything's working properly. And then, we can put the angel on and we'll have a completed project. Okay, that looks pretty good. So let's get the electricity flowing and activate the pumping motion. Okay, and let's get this fountain flowing perfectly. All right, when I plug it in, water's gonna come up here and it's supposed to fill the trough and then come through this little hole. But I think that if the pressure's too strong, it's just gonna ejaculate upwards and as wonderful as that sounds, I think we should just keep this under control. Oh, let's just put the angel on. Let's see what that does. Okay, here we go. It is all finished. I have my fountain working. Okay, and we've got the pretty new trough. And did you know that if you put a fountain in the north sector of your property, it's going to bring you all sorts of good luck?